Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to contact Roblox Support. If assuming your account violated some guidance on Roblox, or you forgot your password and some kind of issues you're having and you want to contact support, the Roblox supports, I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So starts by opening up our Roblox account right here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click right here below your screen, more right here, you click on it and scroll down and you'll see help and safety. So you click on that, right? So you can see help right here. If you actually violated some rules and you want to appeal, or whichever way, or forgot your password, you can just click on any of them. It still works the same way. So just click on violation and appeals. So it's loading. You click on supports right here, and here you're going to fill in your informations, your username, first name, email. Your email is very necessary because it will be used to get back to you. Then as well you can select the Android you're using. If it's Android, iPhone, the device you're actually using, so you just click on it. I'm using an Android phone, so I'll just click on Android, and here type of category you have to click on what is actually wrong with your account. So I will just say that I can't log in, so you still have to choose another subcategory type, right? Forgot password, and here you have to type in your problem. Forgot password, can't log in. After that you have to click on continue right here, and that's all for that. You just have to send it. Then after 2 to 3 days they're going to respond to your message. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.